Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you my man cave ceiling fan. So yeah, let's get into it. I have shared a video on this before, but I took it down so I can make this one, a longer video. I couldn't just show you it short, so I had to show you this other one. So yeah, let's get into it. Here are the switches to control it. Yeah, here's the on switch. Here's the light switch. And plus you can dim this ceiling fan. It is a Honeywell ceiling fan. I believe that it is 52 inches. The way you could dim this is by holding down this light button, see? Notice how the light is getting a little bit sharper. And notice how it's getting brighter. Alright, so yeah, you turn on low. Alright, here's under the ceiling fan. I'm nervous to show you above the fan because this thing is it's like super dangerous. Let me turn off the light right here so you can see it a little better. Well, maybe I could move this then put it here so I can show you. Alright, let me just step on this right. That right there is the head. I like to call it a head. I don't know. Most people call it a canopy, but I like to call it a head. It's the motor. It's basically all in place. And plus, I went to the flea market with my family the other day, and I got a new fan for about 25 bucks. It was actually pretty worth it. It is a vintage 52-inch fan. I'm not sure what the brand is, but we'll get to that, and I'll show you probably that day maybe. Alright, let's move to medium. The medium on this fan kind of looks like high on a normal fan. Can't keep up with the blades. By the way, you could get this fan off Amazon if you like it. I'm actually the one who chose this fan, by the way. So thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, me and my dad actually were the ones who agreed on it, and yeah, we bought it then. And I'm starting to like 4-blade fans a lot more because like they just have like a certain look that I like. I'm into like most vintage fans are 4-bladed, and I'm into like those kind of fans. So yeah, alrighty, here's an appropriate time to move to high. Just so you know, my fan like buzzes and like rattles when it's on high, so I'm gonna keep it on high for like, I don't know, a little bit, because I don't want it to fall off the ceiling, because like it'd be probably ruin the room, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, that's a good position. Kind of looks like a helicopter. Let me zoom in on that. And there goes the rattling. I kind of wish this fan didn't rattle because that just gives me like dangerous vibes. This is the only time I'm going under it for you guys. Oh my god. I think it's gonna crash the ceiling down. Okay, now let's shut this fan off. Okay. Okay, for some reason it shuts off like so fast. You saw it on high like just like 5 seconds ago, and now it's like already below low. It's like it like turns off so fast, which is one of the reasons why I like it. Okay. Oh yeah, step right here. So I can stop the fan. By the way, these blades, they kind of feel like they're made of cardboard, but also wood. Give that a spin right there. So yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.